Hey barbecue fans, welcome to a beautiful day inside Volstead's on the Frankaboo Ranch for another edition of Fireside Chats. So today I wanted to talk about binders. You'll see a lot of people on all the social media outlets talking about putting mustard or some other type of binder onto your meat to make the rubs stick to it. I am vehemently opposed to this, and I'll explain to you why. Everybody says that your mustards don't add flavor to it. I can definitely tell a piece of meat that has had mustard put on it. There is a flavor that gets transposed into the meat via that application that you're putting onto the meat. Now, a very wise man once told me, and that wise man was the legendary Johnny Trigg, the godfather of barbecue. If you must use a binder, use something neutral like an oil. And when he taught me his ribs class, he taught that the first thing you put down is a fine layer of a peanut oil, and that's what makes your rubs stick. Now, I've taken a little bit further beyond that. You guys have seen in all my videos that I use no binders. The only thing I do is spray with water to make the rub stick, because I'm looking for the flavors that I'm putting into the meat coming from the rub, nothing else. So next time you guys are going to do something with a cook, a piece of meat that needs to rest for a long time with the rub on it, put your first layer of rub down, spritz it with water, put your second layer of rub down, your third, spritz it with water, and it's gonna stick. You let that sit overnight, let it set out or mildly refrigerated, and you're gonna have a much better flavor. You're gonna have a much better product in the end. So there you go, guys. A little bit tips and tricks for Fireside Chats. Until next time, keep on smoking it.